The key to making gorgeous beaded curtains that sparkle and shine in the sun is to make sure that you're using the right kind of beads. I'm using these gorgeous glass faceted beads from John Bead in their Crystal Lane collection. Gather all of your beads and put them in a big bowl so you can create a random pattern. We'll be using metal drapery rings for the start of our curtains. Using a generous amount of fishing line, loop the middle through the eyelet of your metal drapery ring. Add about 5 inches of beads onto both strands, and then using the last bead, loop your string back through there and make a small knot. You are going to want to do this about every 6 inches or so that your beads don't fall off if you accidentally drop it while beading. At the end of each strand, add a glass teardrop crystal so that each strand will hang nice and straight. Look how beautiful they are. I hung these up with a heavy-duty tension rod and I have had no issues. I love the way these beads sparkle around my home. They truly look like little glittery pieces of candy. I love them so much. If you have any